The Nikon Z90 is generating significant buzz in the photography community as Nikon's anticipated flagship APS-C mirrorless camera. While official details are pending, various sources have provided insights into its potential features and positioning. Anticipated features and specifications. Sensor and image quality. The Z90 is rumored to feature a 33-megapixel DX format, APS-C, sensor, offering high-resolution imagery suitable for detailed photography. This resolution places it slightly above competitors like the Canon EOS R7, which has a 32.5 MP sensor. Such a sensor would cater to photographers seeking clarity and the ability to crop images without significant loss of detail. Video capabilities. In terms of video, the Z90 is expected to support 4K recording at 60 frames per second, potentially with oversampling for enhanced sharpness. Additionally, it may offer full HD recording at 120 or even 180 frames per second, providing options for smooth slow-motion footage. These features would make it appealing to videographers and content creators. Performance and speed. The camera is anticipated to have a continuous shooting speed of 15 frames per second using the mechanical shutter. With an electronic shutter, this rate could be higher, facilitating the capture of fast-moving subjects such as in sports or wildlife photography. Brain autofocus and stabilization. The Z90 is likely to incorporate advanced autofocus capabilities, potentially utilizing AI-based subject recognition to track people, animals, and vehicles effectively. Moreover, it may feature 5-axis in-body image stabilization (IBIS), offering up to 6 stops of compensation, which would be beneficial for handheld shooting in various conditions. Storage and build. Dual card slots are expected, with one supporting CF Express Type B cards for high-speed data transfer and the other accommodating standard SD cards. This setup would provide flexibility and reliability for professional workflows. The camera's design is anticipated to include a 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen, catering to photographers who prefer shooting from various angles. Comparison. Nikon Z90 versus Canon EOS R7. The Nikon Z90 is poised to compete directly with the Canon EOS R7 in the APS-C mirrorless segment. While both cameras offer high-resolution sensors and fast shooting capabilities, the Z90's inclusion of IBIS and advanced AI-driven autofocus could provide it with a competitive edge. However, the R7's fully articulating screen might appeal more to vloggers and content creators who prioritize flexible framing options. Target audience. The Z90 is expected to cater to enthusiasts and semi-professionals who require a versatile camera capable of delivering high-quality stills and video. Its features would make it suitable for wildlife and sports photographers, as well as content creators seeking a compact yet powerful tool. Expected release and pricing. While Nikon has not officially announced the Z90, industry speculation suggests a release in late 2024 or early 2025. Pricing is anticipated to fall between $1,800 and $2,200, positioning it as a high-performance option within reach of serious enthusiasts and professionals.